जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है आपके एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। तो इस चैप्टर में हम कवर करेंगे स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन, what are the binding site for oxygen, hydrogen and carbon dioxide with the hemoglobin, and cooperativity. What is cooperativity of the hemoglobin with the oxygen, and role of 2,3-BPG in oxygen binding and delivery, types of normal hemoglobin, types of derivatives of hemoglobin, and discussing the hemoglobinopathies. Now we come on the structure and functions of hemoglobin. What are hemoglobins? Hemoglobin is a conjugated protein with a prosthetic group heme. Hemoglobin is made up of heme and globin, which is found in the RBC. It carries oxygen from the lungs to the tissue and carbon dioxide from the tissue to the lung. Iron containing compound belonging to the class of compound called protoporphyrin. Globin molecule, which are also present in the hemoglobin, contain 4 polypeptide chain, 2 alpha and 2 beta, who contain 141 amino acid residue in each chain and 2 beta or 2 gamma or 2 delta as per the type of hemoglobin. ह्यूमन हीमोग्लोबिन में अल्फा 2 बीटा 2 होता है जो नॉर्मल होता है। इसके अलावा बीटा के अलावा गामा डेल्टा भी होता है। 4 मिथाइल 2 विनाइल एंड 2 प्रोपियोनेट साइड चेन ग्रुप्स आर अटैच्ड टू द porphyrin ring. This is the structure of hemoglobin, which contain 4 pyrrole ring, okay, and methyl and valine bind with the pyrrole ring, then iron adding to this, and this form heme. When iron is adding to the protoporphyrin 9, this constitute heme. Structure of heme scene. Side chain of pyrrole rings are designated as M-methyl, V-vinyl, and P is for the propionic acid. Protoporphyrin comprises 4 pyrrole ring linked by methane which to form the porphyrin ring. 4 methyls, 2 vinyl and 2 propionate side chain groups are attached to the porphyrin ring. The iron, which is in the form of Fe2, is held in the center of the protoporphyrin by the coordination bond with the 4 nitrogen of the protoporphyrin ring. The iron atoms has 6 coordination bonds. This is the structure. Here you can see that alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2, and this is hydrogen bond, 4 hydrogen bond. Central open cavity where iron is present. This is called as protective hydrophobic pocket from the globin chain. Now, what are the functions of the hemoglobin? Function of the globin chain of hemoglobin is to form a protective hydrophobic pocket for the binding of heme. These pockets protect the reduced form of iron of heme from oxidized to the ferric form from the aqueous environment and permit the binding of oxygen with Fe2 ions of heme. Thus, exposure of heme iron to the water results in the oxidation of Fe2 to Fe3 form and loss of oxygen binding capacity. First function of hemoglobin is the transport of oxygen from the lungs to tissue. मतलब ऑक्सीजन को lungs से टिश्यू को ले जाता है. Transport of CO2 and proton from the tissues to lung and the kidney. Then acts as the intracellular buffer and is involved as acid-base balance. What are the binding site for oxygen, hydrogen and carbon dioxide with hemoglobin? Oxygen is bind to the ferrous atom of the heme to form oxyhemoglobin. Hydrogen is bound to R groups in the side chain of histidine residue of alpha and beta chains. Carbon dioxide is bound to N-terminal end of each of the globin chain of hemoglobin to form carbaminohemoglobin. Now we come on the cooperative oxygen binding of hemoglobin. What is cooperativity? Binding of first oxygen to heme of the hemoglobin enhances the binding of oxygen to the remaining heme molecule of hemoglobin. This is called as cooperative oxygen binding of hemoglobin. मतलब एक मॉलिक्यूल ऑक्सीजन का बाइंड करता है हीमोग्लोबिन से, which facilitate for the binding of another oxygen molecule and so on. This is called as cooperative oxygen binding of hemoglobin. Now we come on the oxygen binding curve of hemoglobin. This is hemoglobin curve. This is hemoglobin binding curve, oxygen binding curve of the hemoglobin. Shape of oxygen binding curve of hemoglobin is sigmoidal. And sigmoidal curve shows the cooperativity. Cooperativity क्या होता है वो भी हम आपको बता चुके हैं. Because oxygen binding is cooperative. Because of cooperativity between oxygen binding site, hemoglobin delivers more oxygen to the tissue than would a non-cooperative protein myoglobin. Myoglobin is a muscle protein, muscle pigment which is present in the muscles. Now we come on Bohr effect. Hemoglobin also transport a significant amount, about 20% of the total hydrogen ion and CO2 from the tissue to the lung and kidney. The binding of proton and CO2 to hemoglobin decreases the affinity for oxygen. जैसे ही ऑक्सीजन की एफिनिटी कम हो जाएगी, क्या होगा? ऑक्सीजन लिबरेट हो जाएगा, रिलीज हो जाएगा और इस तरह से ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई बढ़ेगी. Thus, at a relative low pH and high CO2 concentration in the peripheral tissue, the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen is decreased. Conversely, in the lungs, उल्टा होता है lungs में. As the CO2 is excreted and blood pH consequently rises, the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen is increased. This effect of pH and CO2 concentration on the binding and release of oxygen by hemoglobin is called Bohr effect. Now we come on the normal and abnormal hemoglobin. Normal hemoglobin is called as HbA1, adult hemoglobin. It consists of 2 alpha and 2 beta chain and is designated as alpha 2 beta 2. Okay, minor component of normal adult hemoglobin is HbA2. HbA1 major part है, HbA2 is the minor component. It consists of 2 alpha and 2 delta chain. Beta की जगह delta chain and is designated as alpha 2 delta 2. It is presently usually to extend 2.5% of the total. Fetal hemoglobin वो hemoglobin जो बच्चों में होता है. Hemoglobin F is the major hemoglobin found in a fetus and in newborn. It consists of 2 alpha and 2 gamma chain. After birth, the gamma subunit are replaced by beta chain and becomes alpha 2 beta 2. Now we come on the glycated hemoglobin. Glycated hemoglobin is the measurement of the diabetes, control of the diabetes. Measurement of HbA1c is an indicator of how effectively blood glucose level have been regulated over the previous period of 2 to 3 months. Now we come on the hemoglobinopathies. Hemoglobinopathy क्या होता है? Hemoglobinopathies are a group of disorder due to alteration in hemoglobin structure or impaired synthesis of polypeptide chain. which is also called as quantitative change. हीमोग्लोबिनोपैथीज दो तरह की होती हैं, या तो कॉन्जेनाइटल या एक्वायर्ड। कॉन्जेनाइटल में स्ट्रक्चरल हीमोग्लोबिनोपैथीज और फॉर एग्जाम्पल थैलेसीमिया, और एक्वायर्ड मतलब टॉक्सिक एक्सपोजर फ्रॉम many things, ligands, methemoglobin, sulfonyl sulf hemoglobin and carboxy hemoglobin. Now we come on this is the continuation of abnormal hemoglobin. Mutation in the gene that code for globin chain alpha, beta and gamma can affect the formation and biological function of hemoglobin. Such hemoglobin are called abnormal hemoglobin. When the biological function is altered due to the mutation in hemoglobin, the condition is called hemoglobinopathy. First example is the thalassemia. Major hemoglobinopathy is the thalassemia. And what is thalassemia? Thalassemia is a group of genetically transmitted disorder of the hemoglobin synthesis due to lack or decreased synthesis of alpha and beta globin chain. Please ignore P. This is beta. This is beta globin chain. This is typographical error and my system is not taking beta. Or you can say I cannot put beta. I am not able to put beta here. So this is not P, this is beta globin chain. Because the synthesis of one globin chain is reduced, there is a relative excess synthesis of the other globin chain. These globin chain may precipitate in the cell, causing hemolysis, resulting in the hypochromic anemia. Name of this group of disease come from the Greek word thalas, meaning seed. Because this disorder occurs more commonly among the people living near the Mediterranean Sea. Types of thalassemia: alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. Synthesis of alpha globin chain is defective in alpha thalassemia. A globin chain are coded by 4 copies of alpha globin gene. The alpha thalassemia results from genetic defect in one or more copies of alpha globin gene that is characterized by either decreased or total absence of the synthesis of alpha globin chain. या तो defective होती है alpha globin chain की या बिल्कुल absent होती है. दूसरी is the beta thalassemia. Synthesis of beta globin chain is impaired due to genetic defect in beta globin gene, and beta globin chain are coded by 2 copies of beta globin gene is characterized by decreased or total absence of the synthesis of beta globin chain. The beta globin chain is of 2 types, thalassemia minor or thalassemia major. Other derivatives of hemoglobin readily combine with any gas or other substance to form some product which are called derivative of hemoglobin. This can be the group into normal hemoglobin derivative or abnormal hemoglobin derivative. Oxyhemoglobin, reduced hemoglobin, carbaminohemoglobin or carb hemoglobin are the normal hemoglobin derivative, whereas methemoglobin and carboxyhemoglobin are abnormal hemoglobin derivative. What are methemoglobin? The iron is normally present in heme in the ferrous state, being replaced by ferric state in the methemoglobin. The ferrous of hemoglobin is oxidized to a ferric state by superoxide by certain drug and other oxidizing agent, forming methemoglobin, which cannot transport oxygen. Only very small amount of methemoglobin is present in normal blood, formed by the spontaneous oxidation of hemoglobin. Carboxyhemoglobin, carbon monoxide combined with the moiety in hemoglobin. It combines at the same position in the hemoglobin as oxygen, but an affinity about 210 times greater than the oxygen. As a result, what happens? Small quantity of Cu in the inspired air cause the formation of a relatively large amount of carboxyhemoglobin with the corresponding reduction in oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Even as little 1% in inspired air can be fatal in the minutes. Thank you for listening me. One more important hemoglobinopathy is the sickle cell anemia, which I have already give the detail, and I will provide link here. From there you can take the notes and you can understand the sickle cell anemia. Thank you so much, dear.